Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the OG Fortnite I used in the last video. So this is PC only. But first of all, you need to click the first link in the description that says launcher and click this one. And then once it downloads, you click on it and you go through the setup, and then it will install this Reboot launcher. This will pop up here. Change your username, and then after it's going to say select the Fortnite version. Okay, so then you have to go to Fortnite builds. You can just search it up on Google, Fortnite builds, and this first link, and here it is. I already have it open, and you can scroll down and there's a bunch of different seasons here. You can click whichever season you want. So like season 6, season 7, season 8. You can click any of these seasons. Then once you click it, it goes to chapter 3, season 2. But this one is harder to use. I think this is like the highest version that is easier to is the same. 19.10. It's just chapter 3, season 1. So once you download your builds, it's going to take a very long time, but then you want to go, it should take a while, like 30 minutes, an hour, and then it's gonna be like extracted, and then you just click it. You click it here and you click extract all, and then this will also take a bit. But then once you have that done, there's gonna be this link, Lawin server. You gotta click code and click download zip. So then that will download. This shouldn't take that long. Then you click one touch D, lawinserver.main, and you run install packages, _packages. And then you run this start. And it should, if you did it correctly, it's going to say, well, no, actually, don't run this yet. You got to install also node.js. Install node.js. Then when this runs, this is ready. Get node.js. And then you got to click for Windows using, and then just blah, blah, blah. And Windows installer MSI. You just install it, node.js, somewhere. I don't know if it's here. It's probably not here. But once you install node.js, then you go lawinserver.main. If you run install packages and then click start. And if it does this, Lawin server started listening on port any random number in yellow. XMP and Matchmaker started listening on port a random number in yellow, then that means you did it right. Just minimize this, don't close this. Okay, then, so we have all this done, and then you close it. You go here, Reboot launcher, select the version you've installed. Then you have to go to backend, and click, it's going to be on embedded. You do local, port, doesn't matter, and then you're good. And then you import your version. Type the version name, like I'm going to do chapter 1 season 5. And then you do 5.40 or whatever, anything. Then you just find the directory, and then you go to, you find it, like here, the not the one that's zipped. You delete the one that's zipped, and then you click this. And when it's in here, I think you just click select and then add, and it should. No, let's see. It's gotta be. Yeah. So you gotta go this season, then you click, then you find Fortnite game, and then that's it. And then you select folder, and it will say version imported successfully. And then you want to click launch Fortnite. Oh, make sure you have this running. This has to run every time you open it, so you gotta run it every time. Then it will say this. Just click start server. Then it's gonna load up Fortnite. This might take a while. Anyways, now that we have Fortnite loaded up, okay, we just keep waiting. The first time you load up the version, it takes longer than usual because you just installed the version. So it's gonna take like 2 minutes, but for your first boot, but then it will take less long after. And yeah, so now we should be loading in. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait. Yeah, so I think I'm in. I'm not sure. Yeah, it might say login server if you, I don't know. Click Battle Royale. Then it's gonna load up in early access. Sometimes it will say early access if you pick the chapter 1 season. It might say early access in the corner. But then you should be good. And yeah, here you're in the game. One thing, let me just change the settings. Do your settings and then press Alt Tab, and this should be here. Okay, click on this. Untick no MCP, click infinite ammo, infinite materials. And then you can minus it out. Don't close it. You're going to need it later. Do your skin combo. Whatever skin combo it might be. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can just use anything. Since this is Chapter 1, Season 5, I'm going to use, like, I can use Galaxy. I'm going to use this dude. Who is he? Edit style. Stage 5 is kind of sick. Okay. Wait. Where's Drift? I'm going to look for Drift. Here. I'm going to change the drift style. Stage 5. I'm going to use him on stage 5. Do your skin combo, whatever it might be. You could use any banner. But then you can be ready. So to get into a match, you can either just click play, but sometimes this doesn't work. So if that doesn't work, you press F2, F8 on your keyboard. Or if you don't have F2 or F8, you can also press the key to the left of 1, the tilde. And then you can type in open to cancel the matchmaking 127.0.0.1, and it will put you into a game. Okay? But at the top, depending on which season you picked, once I load into the game, I'm going to show you. Depending on which season you picked, it might say wait 27 hours to get into the game. And you don't actually have to wait 27 hours. There's a way. It's going to say loading, loading, loading. Come on, load. Okay, almost in. Okay, here. Now we're in. So it's going to say, if you're in chapter 1, it's going to say waiting for players. If you're in chapter 2 or chapter 3, it's going to say like wait 27 hours. So you don't have to wait 27 hours. You just pull up this guy again. Remember I said it was going to be useful, and just click start bus. It might just instantly start the bus or do a countdown. If it does a countdown, then you got to just wait a few seconds, and it's going to put you on the bus. And look, you're in OG Fortnite. Also, if you don't want to like die, you can also do F2, F8 or tilde and do cheat God and cheat set God. What? I don't know what it is. Cheat. I don't know exactly the command, but hold on, let me figure out the command. It's cheat God, yeah. It's cheat God, yeah. I just mistyped it. It's cheat God. So once you're in, if you type cheat God, it makes you invincible, so you don't die. You can also do like OG trick shots and stuff. I'll have another link in the description with all the commands to like give you items and stuff. So you can do like OG trick shots and you don't have to find the items. And you can also invite your friends, but just go watch a video about how to invite friends if you want to, because it's a bit more complicated and I'm not going to go over that in this video. I'm just showing how to get it working. So yeah, pretty much I can grab this. I can farm mats, and then I can build too. Yeah, so you can build. There's no confirm add-on, but at least in the season. Yeah, but you can actually find stuff and pick them up too, but I, for some reason, have that unbound. I'm just going to show you guys. Pick up, if I find pick up. Grab stuff. Like, how do we grab? What was on? Interact. Was it? Interact. It was interact. It gotta be somewhere. Come on. Interact. It's probably like up here. Use. Bear, use. Okay. And then look, I can pick up this med kit. Like. And you have unlimited materials. You can give yourself hunting rifles, like do OG trick shots and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much all. The chests don't work, though. That's the thing. The chests, for some reason, are broken. But you can also, in some seasons, replay old live events. Like, yeah, you can replay old live events and stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much all. That's pretty much all, yeah. So, see you guys in the next video. And also, I made this video because the last video did really, really well. And anyways, see y'all.